The automotive industry has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years, with electric vehicles taking a prominent role for the first time in history. An all-electric vehicle has quickly risen to the top as the best-selling car worldwide, achieving this feat merely 3 years after its initial launch. This remarkable achievement belongs to the Tesla Model Y, a compact crossover SUV that has not only captured the hearts of EV enthusiasts, but has also established new standards for the entire automotive industry. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, the visionary leader behind the company, has consistently emphasized the company's manufacturing prowess as its primary source of competitive advantage. This claim is further supported by Tesla's ability to efficiently assemble the Model Y at its Gigafactory in Shanghai. The entire manufacturing process, from the first station to final assembly, is completed in just 2.5 hours, a remarkable feat that outpaces the industry average by a factor of 14. This high level of efficiency enables Tesla to significantly increase its output, with plans to produce 20,000 EVs per week in Gigafactory Shanghai. Such production capacity could result in over 1 million Model 3 and Model Y vehicles annually, catering to both domestic and global demand.
As a Tesla Model 3 owner, I often look for various accessories for my car. This week I ordered floor mats and was pleasantly surprised that the product arrived soon, in 8 days. The product itself is of high quality and fits my car well. I also ordered a central armrest storage box. I ordered 5 different pieces. They fit my Tesla very well. I ordered from the Tesla Assortment store. I also liked the support of the store. They answered all my questions. That's why I decided to recommend this store to you and leave in the description under this video the top 10 accessories for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y that I have already ordered.
As a testament to this manufacturing prowess, the 2024 iteration of the Model Y is expected to further improve both quantity and quality, building upon the foundation established by its 2023 predecessor. In our detailed comparison, we will explore the specific distinctions between the 2024 Model Y and its 2023 predecessor, examining how these alterations may contribute to its continued success. Our objective is to offer a comprehensive overview of the enhancements propelling Tesla's standing as an industry leader, and the implications of these updates for potential buyers and electric vehicle enthusiasts. The Tesla Model Y holds a prominent position in the realm of electric vehicles, setting a benchmark against which other entries in the segment are evaluated. Its roomy interior, impressive range, and cutting-edge technology have cultivated a devoted following among Tesla enthusiasts. However, the competitive landscape is evolving swiftly, with legacy automakers striving to catch up with the EV pioneer. In response to this dynamic environment, Tesla is preparing to introduce an update for the Model Y in 2024, known as Project Juniper. This update promises to introduce refreshing style elements both inside and out, along with innovative features to maintain interest in Tesla's most popular offering. One of the most significant changes in the 2024 Model Y is its pricing structure. Tesla has strategically reduced the prices of all 3 variants of the 2024 Model Y in comparison to their 2023 counterparts. This price adjustment not only aligns with Tesla's mission to advance sustainable transportation but also makes owning an electric vehicle more accessible and appealing to a broader range of consumers. The reduction in price is particularly noteworthy for the dual-motor all-wheel drive version, which boasts improved performance and traction. Now priced at $49,990, a substantial cost reduction compared to the equivalent 2023 model. Similarly, the long-range version is now available at $52,990, making it 1.4 times cheaper than its 2023 counterpart. The performance version, known for its exhilarating acceleration, enters the market with a price tag of $56,990, representing a significant cost reduction compared to the previous year. These price adjustments position the 2024 Model Y as a more affordable option for those interested in adopting sustainable transportation solutions. The exterior design of the 2024 Model Y is a testament to innovation and design excellence. The updated front fascia exudes sportiness and elegance with a sculpted appearance, reflecting a commitment to aesthetic enhancement. Influenced by its counterpart, the Model 3, the 2024 Model Y exudes confidence in its design. It incorporates slimmer LED headlights that not only improve road visibility but also bring a touch of modernity to the vehicle's overall aesthetics. The simplified front bumper design and an elongated central intake work together to create a sleek and streamlined appearance, removing unnecessary elements for a sharper look. This reimagined approach to design can be seen in every curve and contour, demonstrating Tesla's commitment to producing a vehicle that stands out while maintaining an air of sophistication. Inside the 2024 Model Y, passengers are treated to an elevated interior experience that seamlessly combines luxury, comfort, and functionality. A departure from the previous dashboard trim creates a streamlined aesthetic that enhances the sense of spaciousness within the vehicle. In the cabin, the 2024 Model Y incorporates Alcantara, a premium material known for its luxurious feel, which adds a touch of sophistication to the interior while ensuring durability. The dual-tone cabin theme, featuring a tasteful black and white color scheme, radiates elegance and refinement. This harmonious blend of colors elevates the visual appeal of the cabin, creating an atmosphere that exudes both luxury and modernity. The flexibility of the 7-seat layout ensures that the Model Y is not only a performance-oriented vehicle but also a family-friendly choice for those seeking versatile transportation solution. One of the most revolutionary updates for the 2024 Model Y lies in its battery technology. The transition to Tesla-designed 4680 cells represents a significant leap in efficiency, range, and performance. The increased range not only enhances the Model Y's suitability for longer journeys, but also underscores Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. One crucial aspect of electric vehicles is the charging infrastructure. While the 2023 Model Y was already equipped with Tesla's supercharger network, the 2024 version continues to benefit from this extensive charging network. With Tesla's superchargers strategically placed along major highways and in urban areas, Model Y owners have the advantage of convenient and fast charging, reducing range anxiety and enabling long-distance travel with ease. This advantage remains consistent between the two model years, as both the 2023 and 2024 Model Y come equipped with Tesla's autopilot driver assistance technology. The 2024 version features an updated autopilot system with enhanced capabilities. These improvements encompass the system's sensors, algorithms, and processing power, collectively enhancing its autonomous driving functions. While it's important to clarify that Tesla's autopilot system is not fully self-driving, it can proficiently manage various driving tasks, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automated lane changes. It's worth noting that Tesla's full self-driving capabilities are available as an optional package for both versions, allowing customers to access more advanced autonomous features as they become available through software updates. In summary, the 2024 Tesla Model Y presents several notable improvements when compared to its 2023 counterpart. These enhancements encompass a more budget-friendly price point, advanced battery technology, improved range and performance, updated interior and exterior designs, and refined technological features. These collective upgrades render the 2024 Model Y an enticing choice for electric vehicle enthusiasts. Although the 2023 Model Y is already a formidable electric SUV, the enhancements introduced in the 2024 version further cement its role as a frontrunner in the electric vehicle market. Whether customers opt for the 2023 or 2024 Model Y, they can anticipate enjoying the advantages of emissions-free driving, cutting-edge technology, and a premium driving experience uniquely delivered by Tesla. We appreciate your viewership and kindly remember to like, comment, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our videos. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.